how it works. I'm going to talk about giving directions today. If you have a question as I am teaching the class, you can write your question in the comments section. I will also ask you some questions that I want you to answer in the comments. Let's see who's joining us today before we get started. Who's joining us and where are you joining us from? What time of day is it in your country? Are you having breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Are you at work? Are you just waking up? Let's see, who's joining us? Okay, Vilam from Vietnam, from India, Ayush, Wasai, Aslam from Afghanistan, Dimitrios, Salim, Hassan, Syed from Australia, someone from Turkey, Alan from Syria. Okay, very good. We have a lot of countries represented today. That's great. So let's get started. I want you to tell me in the comments, when was the last time that you gave someone directions, that you explained how to get from one place to another? When was the last time that you had to ask someone for directions? And did you find the place that you were looking for? Tell me about your experience in the comments. All right, so what are some different ways that we can ask for directions? Imagine that you are traveling in an English-speaking country like the UK or the United States. You might need to ask someone how to get somewhere. So you can say, "I'm lost, can you help me?" Or, "I'm not from around here," which means that you're not from the place that you are visiting. You can say, "Where can I find Main Street," for example? "Which way is the beach?" "How do I get to the library?" "How far is it to the stadium?" And if someone's directions are not clear, you can ask, "Do you have a map?" Or, "Can you show me on the map?" Sometimes it's easier if someone can point on the map to the location. Maybe that will help you to find it more easily. So on the other hand, maybe someone is visiting your town and they ask you for directions. So how can you give someone directions in English? You can say, "Turn left, make a right, take a right." These are all synonyms: turn, make, and take, to explain to someone that they need to go in one direction or another, right or left. You can say, "Go straight," or "Continue straight ahead." You can also use north, south, east, or west. You can tell someone to go north or to head south. These are also synonyms: to go north or to head north. Okay, you can say it's around the corner or it's across the street. If someone has asked you how to get to a location that's very far, you can tell them it's too far to walk, and you can recommend you should take a taxi, you should take the metro or the bus, and then you can explain to them which one they should take if it's too far to walk. Okay? If someone asks you for directions and they're driving, you can tell them, follow the signs to the airport, for example, or take exit 55. You can tell them what number exit they need to take when they exit the highway. All right? You can tell them about how far away it is. It's about a mile away, or it's about a kilometer away. This depends on which country you're visiting. Do you know which country uses miles and which countries use kilometers? If you do, tell me in the comments. All right? If someone